Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.5 question number 2. Solve A. 1 plus 18 plus 1 plus 18. Let us solve this problem. Question number A. Question number A is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Right? Here you see the denominator is same. Therefore LCM will be 18. Right? That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 18. 2 by 18 is the answer. Right? Question number A. The right denominator is same, therefore 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 18. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15 here you see the denominator is same, therefore the LCM is 15, right? Therefore it will be add 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 15, that is 11 by 15. In this way you have to add all the problem, right? 11 15 is the answer of question number B. Right? Now question number C. Question number C. Now we'll solve question number C. Question number C is 7 by 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Here you see the denominator is same, therefore 7 is the LCM. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The answer is 2 by 7. This is the answer of question number C. Right? Now solve question number D. Question number D is 1 by 22, 1 by 22 plus 21, this is 2, 21 by 22. Therefore, the LCM will be is equal to, the LCM will be 22. Since the both the denominators are same, 22, it is 1 plus 21. 21 plus 1 is 22 is equal to 22 by 22. If we change the lowest term, it is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 answer. It is equal to 1, right? This is question number D. Now we'll solve question number E. Question number E is question number E. Question number E is 12 by 15, 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15 minus 7 by 15. Here you see the denominator is same, therefore it will be 15 and it is 12 minus 7, and 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 by 15. If we change into lowest term, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, the answer will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Right? Now question number F. Question number F is 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Right? Here you see the LCM is 8. The LCM is 8. It is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. That is equal to 8 by 8. By 8. If we change into lowest term, that is 1 by 1, and that is equal to 1 answer. This is question number F. Now let's solve question number G. Question number G is question number G. What is question number G? Question number G is 1 minus 2 by 3. Here you say 1 can be written as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Therefore 3 is the LCM. 3 is the LCM. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is the answer. Now question number H. Question number H is 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4 is equal to 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 1 by 4 is the answer. Now question number I. Now we solve question number I. Question number I is question number I. Question number I is 3 minus 12 by 5. That is LCM is 5. You have to multiply this number 3 with 5, that is 3 5 is 15, or you can say that it is 1, right? 3 by 1, 3 by 1 you can write, right? That is 3 5 is 15, that is if we divide 5 by 1 it is 5, that is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 12. That is equal to 3 5 is 15 minus 12 by 5. It is 5. It is right against once again. This is 5. Right? That is 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5.